In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom pieces on chess.com. This tutorial will guide you through the process of customizing your chess pieces to personalize your online gaming experience. So let's dive right in and begin our journey of customization. First, you'll want to head over to chess.com, where all the chess action happens online, and it's absolutely free to sign up and start playing. Once you're on the main page, the first step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click it and you'll be directed to the login screen. Now you'll need to enter your username and password into their respective fields. Remember, these credentials are what land you securely into the world of chess.com, so make sure you have them at the ready. If you happen to have created your account using Google, Apple, or Facebook, you can opt to log in by selecting one of these platforms instead. Simply click on the respective icon and you'll be guided through to access your account that way. For those who used a Gmail account for registration, clicking your Gmail will seamlessly log you in. Once logged in, let's head over to the settings to start our customization journey. You'll find the settings option in the menu. Click on it to access the various settings of your account. When inside the settings, look for the section labelled Board and Pieces. This section is where the magic happens, allowing you to personalise your board and, more importantly, your chess pieces. Within the Board and Pieces section, you'll see an option labelled Pieces. Go ahead and click on this. Here, you'll discover a variety of piece designs to choose from. It's like being a kid in a candy store but for chess enthusiasts. Explore the options available and find a design that resonates with you, or just adds that extra flair to your games. Pick the piece design that speaks to you, the one that makes playing feel even more enjoyable. After making your choice, it's key to ensure your new preferences are saved. Locate the save button, which you'll likely find toward the bottom of the section, and give it a click. This will lock in your changes and ensure they are applied the next time you play a game. Finally, once you're happy with your customizations, simply head back to the main page or click on play. Your newly selected pieces will automatically appear when you start a game, enhancing your overall experience. And there you have it. That's how you set up your custom chess pieces on chess.com. I hope you enjoyed personalizing your chessboard as much as I did walking you through these steps. Until next time, happy playing.